AI interview questions you need to know. Preparing for an AI interview? Here's a simple guide to key topics with easy-to-understand explanations. Master these concepts to ace your interview and boost your AI career. 1. General AI/ML concepts. This section covers the basics of AI and machine learning. Supervised learning uses labeled data, like predicting house prices with known values. Unsupervised learning finds patterns without labels, like grouping customers. Reinforcement learning trains agents through rewards, like a robot learning to walk. The bias-variance trade-off balances model simplicity, bias, and sensitivity to noise variance for better performance. Overfitting is when a model memorizes data, and underfitting is when it misses patterns. Fix them with more data, regularization, or tuning. These concepts are the foundation of AI interviews. 2. Algorithms and techniques. This section explains key machine learning algorithms. A decision tree splits data based on rules to classify or predict, but it can overfit. Random forests improve it. Gradient descent optimizes models by adjusting parameters to reduce errors, with types like batch, stochastic, and mini-batch for different speeds. Backpropagation in neural networks calculates how to update weights by spreading errors backward, making training efficient. Knowing these algorithms helps you solve real-world problems. Practice explaining their steps and trade-offs, like why decision trees are interpretable but unstable, to shine in technical interviews. 3. Deep learning. Deep learning uses neural networks for complex tasks. Convolutional neural networks, CNNs, excel at images by detecting patterns like edges, unlike fully connected networks, which are less efficient. Activation functions like ReLU or sigmoid add nonlinearity so networks can solve tough problems. To prevent overfitting, use dropout, randomly skip neurons, regularization, or data augmentation. Create varied data. Early stopping and batch normalization also help. These techniques are key for image or speech tasks. Understand how CNNs save computation and why nonlinearity matters to explain deep learning clearly in interviews. 4. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP helps computers understand text. One-hot encoding turns words into simple, sparse vectors but misses meaning. Word embeddings, like Word2Vec, create dense vectors capturing word similarities, improving tasks like sentiment analysis. The attention mechanism in transformers focuses on important words in a sentence, unlike older models that struggled with long texts. It calculates weights to highlight relevant words, making transformers powerful for translation or chatbots. Knowing these concepts shows you can handle text data. Be ready to compare embeddings benefits over one-hot encoding and explain attention's role in modern NLP. 5. Coding and practical questions. Coding questions test your ability to build AI solutions. For k-means clustering, write a Python function to group data by assigning points to the nearest centroid, updating until stable. In a recommendation system, combine user behavior, collaborative filtering, and item features, content-based, for better suggestions. Use matrix factorization or neural networks and check results with metrics like precision. Practice coding algorithms on platforms like LeetCode and explain your logic clearly. Showing you can pre-process data, choose models, and evaluate outcomes proves you're ready to solve real AI problems in interviews. 6. Behavioral and system design questions. These questions check how you solve problems and communicate. For a challenging project, use the STAR method. Describe the situation, task, actions like cleaning data or tuning models, and results like improved accuracy. For deploying a model, train it, containerize with Docker, deploy on AWS, and create an API. Monitor performance and retrain regularly. Explain scalability like handling more users. Practice storytelling to show teamwork and problem solving. Be clear about technical steps and why they matter, like ensuring low latency, to prove you can handle real-world AI projects in interviews. You're now equipped with key AI interview topics. Practice these concepts, code regularly, and explain clearly to stand out. Keep learning, and you'll nail your AI interview with confidence.